Disappointed, coach, first of all?
Yeah, definitely. First off, we just gave it away. We gave away some simple opportunities, individual errors, and we just been playing catch up. Couldn't catch them back. We get opportunities. Another game of football, you know, when you get the opportunities and you don't put them away, to put them under pressure, you tend to lose the game. And when you look on the first half to the second half, we had them under pressure a lot of times, but we just don't capitalize on the final third. So that's something we have to work on. Them young, them can play again. So we just have to work on it and hope together we can get good for next year.
What are the biggest fault you find with the team and you getting the results, coach?
The individual errors. When you look at the individual errors, the first goal, the first touch was so horrible. The ball literally, came off him about a meter away, and that caused the first goal. And the person's dribbling in the middle of the park, losing the ball, not applying, giving back that first press when they lose the ball. As we train every day, it creates issues. So I just one of those things that I say it's an individual thing, and we just have to get back together as a team and let go of the individualism. We can't get it right.
Objective for the season from here on.
No, here.
I said the objective for the season from here on.
The objective is to look at the guys that we have. Try to give everybody as much time on the field as possible. 98% of them are first time ever played Manning Cup before. So we have to just give them time on the field so them get used to the atmosphere, the pace, and understand what is expected for next year.
Okay, just give me a name again for
Mr. Hinds, Andrew Hinds.
Andrew.
All right.